single letter sounds.
These are the single letter sounds with my animal friends. This is big letter A and small letter A. The sound of this letter is A, as in alligator. This is big letter M and small letter M. The sound of this letter is as in monkey. This is big letter N and small letter N. The sound of this letter is as in nightingale. This is big letter S and small letter S. The sound of this letter is as in seahorse. This is big letter T and small letter T. The sound of this letter is as in tiger. Very good! Now you know the animal friends of those single letter sounds.